Mini wooden planters for table decor, crafted from reclaimed timber, represent a quiet yet powerful intersection of modern minimalism, sustainability, and emotional design, where small-scale objects carry deep meaning and market appeal. In a world increasingly saturated with fast furniture and disposable decor, these compact planters offer a counterpoint rooted in calm, intention, and mindful craftsmanship. Transforming reclaimed timber into serene tabletop accents begins with a shift in perspective, seeing discarded wood not as waste, but as material already rich with texture, history, and character. Every knot, hairline crack, nail scar, or weathered edge becomes part of the story rather than a flaw to erase, aligning perfectly with modern minimalist sensibilities that value authenticity over perfection. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The process itself is accessible, designed for limited space, modest tools, and manageable time, making it ideal for beginners, apartment dwellers, or anyone looking to create meaningful objects without a full workshop. A small work surface, basic cutting and sanding tools, and a thoughtful approach are enough to turn offcuts, pallet slats, or salvaged construction timber into refined planters that feel intentional and calming. The act of shaping reclaimed wood into simple geometric forms encourages restraint, where clean lines and balanced proportions allow the material to speak for itself, reinforcing the minimalist principle that less truly can be more. As the timber is carefully cut and joined, attention shifts from speed to presence, with each step emphasizing precision and patience rather than complexity. The goal is not to over-design, but to refine, smoothing surfaces just enough to be tactile while preserving the organic grain and subtle imperfections that give reclaimed wood its soul. This balance between refinement and rawness is what makes these planters so visually soothing. They don't shout for attention, but invite quiet appreciation. Finishing choices further enhance this serenity, with natural oils or matte sealants deepening the grain and protecting the wood without masking its origin. The muted tones of reclaimed timber, often softened by age and exposure, pair effortlessly with greenery, allowing the plant to become a living extension of the design rather than a decorative afterthought. On a desk, shelf, or dining table, these planters bring a grounded, calming presence, subtly connecting interior spaces to nature in a way that feels both modern and timeless. What makes these mini wooden planters especially compelling is their ability to resonate emotionally while remaining highly practical and profitable. Their small size lowers material costs and production time, allowing makers to experiment freely without financial risk. Each piece can be completed within a short window, making them ideal for those balancing creative work with other responsibilities. Despite their simplicity, or perhaps because of it, these planters align closely with current design trends favoring natural materials, neutral palettes, and mindful living. Buyers are increasingly drawn to objects that offer more than visual appeal, seeking items that reflect values of sustainability, calm, and intentionality. A planter made from reclaimed timber embodies these values effortlessly, telling a story of renewal and care that mass-produced alternatives cannot replicate. This narrative adds perceived value, transforming a small wooden object into a lifestyle statement that customers are willing to pay for. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. From a craftsmanship perspective, the process teaches foundational woodworking skills in a forgiving and encouraging way. Measuring, cutting, joining, sanding, and finishing are all explored on a small scale, allowing mistakes to become lessons rather than costly setbacks. This accessibility empowers beginners, proving that meaningful, sellable decor does not require advanced skills or expensive equipment. The limited scale also fosters creativity, encouraging subtle variations in form, grain orientation, or joinery that ensure no two planters are exactly alike. These small differences enhance the sense of authenticity and handcrafted quality, qualities that are increasingly rare and therefore highly valued. Over time, a maker naturally develops an intuitive understanding of proportion and balance, learning how slight adjustments in height, thickness, or edge treatment can dramatically change the overall feel of a piece. Selling serenity through these mini wooden planters is as much about storytelling as it is about construction. Customers are not just buying a container for a plant, they are investing in a moment of calm, a tactile reminder of slower living amid busy routines. The reclaimed origin of the timber reinforces this emotional appeal, allowing buyers to feel they are participating in a sustainable cycle rather than contributing to waste. Each planter becomes a quiet ambassador for eco-conscious design, proving that sustainability does not have to be loud or rustic, but can be refined, modern, and deeply soothing. This alignment with contemporary values makes the planters versatile across markets, appealing equally to minimalists, plant lovers, gift buyers, and those furnishing small spaces. Their compact footprint suits urban living, home offices, and apartments where space is limited, but the desire for warmth and nature remains strong. The profitability of these planters lies in their efficiency and scalability. Because they require minimal material and time, makers can produce them consistently without burnout, maintaining quality while meeting demand. Small batch production reinforces exclusivity, while the reclaimed nature of the wood ensures each batch carries its own subtle character. Pricing reflects not just the physical object, but the thought, care, and sustainable philosophy embedded within it. Customers respond positively to transparency, appreciating knowing where the wood came from and how it was transformed. This openness builds trust and brand loyalty, turning first-time buyers into repeat customers who value the maker's vision as much as the product itself. Over time, the planter becomes a gateway piece, introducing customers to a broader collection of handcrafted decor rooted in the same principles of simplicity and sustainability. Beyond commerce, crafting mini wooden planters from reclaimed timber offers personal fulfillment and creative grounding. The act of working with wood, especially material that has already lived another life, fosters a sense of continuity and respect for resources. Each finished piece serves as a reminder that beauty can emerge from what is overlooked, and that craftsmanship does not require grandeur to be meaningful. In limited space, with limited time and skill, anyone can engage in this process, discovering the quiet joy of making something useful, beautiful, and enduring. These planters demonstrate that modern minimalism is not about emptiness, but about intention, where every object earns its place through purpose and presence. Selling serenity, in this context, becomes an honest exchange, offering others a small, tangible pause in their day, shaped from reclaimed timber and guided by thoughtful hands. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.